We are so back. Good morning. Good morning. We're back. We're live. Happy to be here. Welcome to Lunar Beaches Crypto. Nobody's here yet. Not even Justin Eubanks. Where are you at, Justin? Where are you at? Where are you at? Sorry, I have been dealing with the COVID. And last week I had like no energy to do anything. So that was fun. I still have poquito energy, but we'll move on. We'll see how things go. Maybe I need to share this out. I probably should have done that prior to the stream. I can talk and do two different things at the same time. Get everything you love ad free. I have YouTube Premium. What are you talking about? So, anyways, thank you for joining. Sorry for missing most of last week. That was pretty lame. But I needed the rest, and it didn't really help much. So, I'm still here. Sharing. Let's go live. We are live. Good morning. Good morning. Fear and Greed at a 72. Good morning. Good morning. Down from like a 74, 75. So sentiment's taking a hit for some reason. I don't know why, because crypto's been popping off for the past week. So I don't know why because Bitcoin's down. Is it down? It's not even. It just hasn't really done anything. It's been stuck in a range. Sorry for the coughing. I'm gonna try to remember to hit the mic anytime I cough. Turn it off, but I'm still coughing stuff up, especially in the morning time. So anyway, man, this is excellent. This is peak stuff here. All right, let's just go ahead and get through some stuff, okay? First of all, look at this amazing meat that Mr. Billy Goat tells Crypto Billy cooking up. Oh man, looks so good. Sunny and 70. Time for some steaks on the grill. Oh, and don't forget Billy Goat Tales tomorrow night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's every Tuesday, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Get in there, join us. Let's have some fun. We also have something else going on today. A little bit of a collaboration, not with me, but with the Army Piper. Going on Alexo Crypto, 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Be sure to check that out. Cool to see these guys collabing together. I love both these guys. Like my best friends in this space. It's pretty cool. L. Jones, hello, with the pink hand. Good morning. But yep, that's good. That's it on that front. A little bit of go check out those guys. Bitcoin is down 1% in the past 24 hours, down 2.37% in the last 7 days. Ugh. But hey, still holding over $1 trillion by $3.8 billion. There are less than 1.5 billion Bitcoin remaining And we're pretty close to the halving as well. We're getting pretty close to the halving. 55 days until the halving. 55 days, 2 hours, 23 minutes, and 20 seconds. So that's exciting. We're getting closer to the halving. But what does that mean for price? Who knows? Who knows? Cluck, cluck, crypto pollo. Man, you're up early. You're up early. I don't know if you can tell from my voice. I'm still getting over this crud. So it is what it is. Let's go ahead and just take a look at Bitcoin, see what we've got. Let's turn this stuff off. We'll be getting into this another time. Goodness gracious. Hold on. Still coughing stuff up. Amazing. The damn COVID. All right. So, what are we looking at for the Bitcoin? Let's see. Already took out the new week opening gap to the upside. Maybe look like it's pulling back, but we might not get down to here. But this is somewhere where I would be looking to long from and then set a tight stop. Something like, so we got to put our long position tool on here, give us a nice tight stop, and then find us a good high to take out. Probably this last high here. That'd be a nice, like I said, keep that stop real tight, because this thing could roll over. Unfortunately, it could roll over this week. But the altcoins means a lot for the altcoins. The altcoins are starting to really pop off. So we'll see how that looks. French toaster, yo, good morning. Hey, toaster of French. Toaster of the French. I like French toast. Do you guys like French toast? I mean, obviously French toaster likes French toast. Maybe. I love French toast. French toast is amazing. Toast from France. French fries are good too, even though they're not really from France. Anyway, let's zoom out real quick. Let's go to the weekly chart, see what we're dealing with here. So I know that we've been having some trouble right around the 702. Right around the 702. That's basically been our struggle point. And man, to me this looks like we have further down to go. We got to pull back. We're going to have a pullback. It just looks like it to me. I would love to be wrong in that. But if I pull up the Heikinashi RSI, let's get a regular RSI in here, because that'll really show me what I need to see. RSI. Relative strength index. Is it going to be more pointy? There we go. Okay, so we do have a little bit of, we have nice divergence, bearish divergence, pulling us down to the downside. So I would expect some further downside for Bitcoin. However, if this level holds, if we can just take out these levels, this low here, if we can just take out this previous week low, we can just come down, just do a little tap, just a little push through, just a little wick through, and then come back up and close above 50,747. That would be great. So just a little dip into that $50,500 range, we'll say $50,500, and then we get a nice little push back up into the range. Then we can. I think we'll be good from there. We're looking from, if we just pull a fib from our bottom to our top here, from our swing low to the swing high, we've gotten down to the 702. So, but I would like to see us get further down and get, man, at least tap that 887 at $50,677. That would be nice. Get a nice tap, give us a show of support, and then continue higher. Now, this is a little bit of an impulsive move to the upside. However, we did not take out this high. It would have been nice to take out that high. That would have given me the confidence that we are starting a new bullish trend. But we did not take out that high. So we'll have to wait and see. Cluck, cluck. We'll have to wait and see. Now, last week I said we'll have to wait and see what happens on Monday, and that'll give us kind of a clue of what we're going to do the rest of the week. And then I didn't show up the rest of the week because I got the COVID and didn't want to get out of bed, if I'm perfectly honest. Didn't want to get out of bed. Couldn't get out of bed. Really. And I still sound like I got a frog stuck in my throat. But I'm still here. We're still here. We're still hanging out. We're still trying to figure things out. Regardless, go down to the smaller time frame, see if we can pull together a trade. Did we take out? Didn't take out any significant lows. Missed the short trade, so don't want to get onto that yet. That C19 keeps you so tired. I had it 3 weeks ago. I know the feeling. Yeah, man. What's crazy is that, like, I'll sit there and I'll be fine for like a couple hours, and then all of a sudden I'll just be like, it just smacks me, and I'm just like, I don't want to do anything. Hold on. But we still do it. We're still here. Last week I could not. I was waking up and hacking up all kinds of stuff. There's no way I could have done a show. I'm barely doing this right now, but it is what it is. We still move on. If you guys have any questions, I would love to help with anything. That's what I'm here for. I'm here to help you guys the best that I can. I can't really say whether a number go up, number go down right now. I don't have enough information, and I usually wait for like right before market open and right during market open. So that's when the moves typically occur. That'll tell you. But it does look like we are reaching lower, so that just means one of two things. Either we're reaching for liquidity to dip into before we move up to the upside, or it's reaching for liquidity lower than what this is. So Bitcoin is kind of in a spot where I don't really. It might just sit here in range, guys. It might just sit here in range, and alts continue to pop off. Let's see if there's any alts popping off right now. Pluton. Whoa. Okay. Pluton is currently up 58.95%. This move right here overnight, starting at the Asia range. Start at the Asia range, go to the very top, 98%. My goodness. Are we in an alt season or not? Is this something that I need to short? That is the real question. It is really difficult shorting stuff in a bullish market, let me tell you. But we do have a New York Open right here at $7.85. It could be a turnaround point. It looks like it's already starting to try and turn around. But that's also right at the 618, $7.85. Possible short entry there, but I don't know. This thing looks like it's wanting to really, really blast off. I mean, it's already come back down. Let's pull this fib from the bottom to the top. From the bottom to the top. I don't know, Lincoln Park. 0.382 and made it to there. So, yeah, I mean, it could pull down. Let's take a volume profile. Let's see what we got here. Well, let's pull that in a little bit. Let's bring that back over here. Okay, so that is the value area high we just hit. Could pull back down to this point of control at $6.28. Could be a spot to long from. Tight stops is on stuff like this. Tight stops in general. I don't know. I don't see a lot of reason not to have tight stops on on shorts. If you have on shorts right now, definitely tight stops. Longs, you can probably let those breathe a little bit because we are in a bullish environment. And until that changes, then we would switch it up. We'd be a little more conservative with our longs than our shorts. But right now, I say we're excuse me. Right now, I'd say we are in a bullish environment, so I'd keep my longs, keep my drawdown pretty nice, and give myself plenty of room to breathe on my drawdowns, and then plenty of room to run on my pumpages, pumpages. So if you are excited for Piper on Alexo Crypto, hit that like button, and also put a 1 in chat. You see, I write notes about stuff that I need to go over, and then I don't even look at them in the morning. I got to make that a habit. Important news and events. I already gave you that. Bitcoin chart. We already did that, but then I skipped on the other stuff. Crypto Pollo's excited to see Piper on Alexo Crypto. Let's go to the Dixie. Let's see what the Dixie is doing. The Dixie might tell us. Oh my goodness. Dixie's rolling. Is Dixie rolling over? It might be bottoming out. Well, it's a 15-minute chart. Let's back it up. Back it up. Not quite a head and shoulders. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. So this one we can clearly see. Goodness, I'm sorry. This is exactly why I didn't do shows last week. I need to blow my nose. Hold on. I can no breathe. All right, so we can see these little shelves here. We've got we got some resistances and supports up in here. So let's go ahead and take a look at our supports. There's support there. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and do. This is weird. It's like I got that stuff in my ear, so it's weird when I talk. Turn off my magnet tool so we can do this. All right, so that was support. Falling through support on the Dixie. Resistance, previous resistance. That's where we've gotten to. So we're going to see if that holds. If it doesn't hold, then I would expect the Dixie to fall down to here. Good God. If that doesn't hold, I'll expect the Dixie to fall down to here. Cool. Call fit while I'm doing a live. If that doesn't hold, then I'd expect the Dixie to come down to here. It's pretty clear because you can see the price action come up, consolidate, break up, consolidate, break up, consolidate, break up, fail, break back down, break back down. So we're just looking for it to continue to break down. The more the Dixie breaks down, the more our assets pump. So that's what we want. That is what we would like to see. Let's go to our total chart. This is the entire Bitcoin crypto market, I should say. Let's zoom out to the 3-day, see what that looks like. Oh, yeah, we've been building support up on top of the 0.5. We do have a little bit of a bearish divergence. However, this RSI could pop up and hang out up here like we have in the past, and it just hangs out. And that gives us our, that just tells us that the momentum is strong with the price action and that we could keep on pushing. Total 2 is everything without Bitcoin, and it's looking a little more bullish. It's trying to break 0.382. It's gunning for that $1 trillion mark. It'll start pushing that way this week, maybe this week. Do we have any news this week? I'm looking at File and Theta. I'm in Jasmine. I was like perfectly fine, and then I started talking, and now like I'm dying. What was I looking at? Oh yeah, gonna go to the Forex Factory, take a look, see what kind of news we got this week, if anything. Absolutely nothing today. New home sales. Then we have durable goods orders, CB, consumer confidence. Yep, nothing. Whoops. Wednesday, prelim, GDP. Slow news week. Core PCE unemployment claims GDP on Thursday, so that is something to watch. And then Friday we have ISM manufacturing, revised U of M consumer sentiment on Friday. So not too much going on this week. Not too much going on. What are your thoughts on File? I like Filecoin. I've liked Filecoin since 2021. Storage, I've figured that would be a thing. Let's see. Filecoin. Well, let's just click on here and type it in. Ooh. Wow. Let's put this on log. There we go. Let's move our fib down a level. Let's see. Couple levels. Let's move it down to here so we can see what we got going on. All right, so currently hitting up against the 0.236 on this range from here, from the from the March, from the March 22 top down to the December 22 bottom. Pull that fib right there. We do get some touch points on here. So this has been an area of resistance. $8.45, $8.50 basically has been an area of resistance. So something that it needs to get through in order to continue its move higher. Let's go down to the daily. That's on the 3-day. Let's see. So we are above this high here. So what we are wanting to see is for price action to build some support here, but it's been very wicky to the upside, which isn't exactly showing a lot of strength. Very wicky to the upside with our RSI kind of fading to the downside. So probably it's looking like it's going to pull back. It's got a little pullback in it, or at least maybe chop sideways and build that support now that we've broken this high here. So maybe come up, build that support, and then take off. It's like I got something stuck in my throat. My apologies. This has been a rough one. So yeah, I'd be looking for the consolidation on top of this previous high to build that support and get a little cool off in our oscillators, and then maybe we can have a little pullback down here like this, and then consolidate a little higher. That way we get a nice little bull div in there, and we can push up to the upside. So I like Filecoin in general. So yeah, I expect some big numbers on it. $20 is on the horizon, probably. That's what I'm looking for. Let's see. It's already towards the end of the show, guys, and I'm already struggling. So I appreciate those of you that did show up. I can't go on. I gotta get off. I gotta get off of here. I apologize. I tried. Yeah, we'll try again tomorrow morning. Maybe I can come on later today. We'll see. Later this when I get off of work. But that's gonna be it, guys. Like I said, I apologize. I can't stop coughing. So I love you guys. Thank you for joining. And I will see you guys later. Have a radical day. Don't forget to ride those waves. Peace out.